Biafra Liberation Army, I will go after all politicians in Biafra land for them for selling our birthright. Biafra Liberation Army. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first day wey you dey come across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? No forget to give us a follow. In other way to dey get our update back to back, we dey bring news of everything wey dey happen anywhere. Na there we dey bring the news dey come give you. This Biafra Liberation Army on video don talk so many things. So he say this time around say na battle for bottle. No be only battle for battle, say na battle for battle. Say things go happen very very soon. Say for that reason dem go after politicians, dem go after all the whole people wey be problem for Biafra land, wey sell their birthright. E go ahead go to wetin talk many. Only me no go fit talk am finish. So I wan play you the video make you watch. Then after you watch the video finish, watch the video from beginning to end make you hear everything wey him talk. So I go play you the video now make you watch. Then we'll come back and analyze am small.
Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. Good evening, lovers of freedom. Good evening, my fellow congregants. Good evening to all of you who are in support of this noble cause. Good evening to all Biafrans all over the world. The time standing now is 20 minutes past 6 p.m. in the land of Biafra. I have come because yesterday the network was very bad that I could not do anything. So frustrated, or so frustrating to say. I was so frustrated yesterday based on the Zoom network. I just pray that today they will allow me make a very little, news. I do not intend to be on this net for more than 30 minutes. I want you to invite friends, your friends and your lovers, your loved one, and enable to share this video and follow me as well in order to be having the update. There are few things I want to bring to your information. And then he who failed to advise himself or herself will have he or herself to be blamed when he fell or fall victim. Wonderful people of Biafra, the truth is that I always say that you people should get prepared for the great revolution. The great revolution is lowering. If you fail to prepare for it, it will take you unaware. And when it takes you unaware, sorry is your name. Biafra liberation is not just about Biafra. It is all about the liberation of black. It is all about the freedom of humanity. Do you understand? It's not just about Biafra. One of our ancestors. Yesterday there was a news I come across saying that Simon Ekpa, the great one, the good guy, our able prime minister, they do juju. I laugh. It really make my day. Network is something else. And then I laugh for the person to say that our great prime minister, they do juju. I laugh. Being a Biafra is juju himself. Biafra doesn't need to go and do juju because there are already juju. People when know they die, you know go fear them. You don't know that? We know they do juju. Now we be the juju. How can juju do juju? Let me break my grammar to pidgin so that you all understand. See, the day when our papa, our mama give birth to us, as a male child, as a boy, after 8 days, they circumcise us. You know, no say na juju be that. Russia and Egypt were convinced that then circumcise us. That is the day they initiated us to the Almighty Creator. So that alone is juju. Do we need to go and do another juju again? There were few strong resistance pockets of troops behind enemy lines. You don't know that the strength of a tree depends on its root. The strength of a tree depends on its root. The more the root get inside ground where the strongness and standing firm that tree will be. And so that tree go stand strong. No breeze feel for that kind of tree. The tree where you go see breeze fall, now the tree where root no enter ground where. Our ancestors don't enter ground where. They hold us tight, we no feel fall. You know feel kill us. We be juju. Now we be your end. Yes, we cannot die, and we know they die. If one of us go down, 10 of that one reincarnate. If one go down, 10 reincarnate from that one. We cannot die. We can never die. But the information I want to give to you as a Biafran is get something, weapon close to you. If you are a Nigerian, get something close to you. If you are a Biafran, get weapon close to you. Revolution is loading. Great revolution is loading. Do you understand me? Unless you want to remain in a darkness, you want your generation to keep suffering. Unless you want your children to die shameful death because your politician don't sell you out. They have sold you out to China. They have sold you out to Britain. What remains now is those people will just come and claim you, claim your property, claim your children. If you fail to act as a living being, if you fail to act as human being, if you fail to act as a citizen, if you fail to act as a Biafran, so what I might have to tell you this evening is that get prepared, revolution is loading. If you don't want to, if you don't want your children and your next generation to suffer the fate and even worse fate of what you suffer or you are suffering now. I told you before that things can never get better in Nigeria. You think it's by prayer or by fasting? It is not by prayer and fasting. If you like, pray from Nancy next year. Things can never get better in Nigeria. It will always get worse. It is you that will rise up and carry weapon, pursue your representative, pursue your governor, pursue your senator, pursue your house of rep, pursue your chairman, pursue your councillor, pursue all of them, your king, your Eze, from A to Z. Hold them account, hold them responsible. If you refuse to do so, you go remain poor forever and you go remain suffer. You go suffer forever. Nothing go save you.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video and hear everything, you go ahead and say so many things that they will do, and also tell some Biafrans what they go do in order way to defend themselves. What do you think about this video? Do you think what he's saying is right, or do you disagree with him? Please leave a comment respectfully in comment section. Let's talk about this particular video. My people, na so we see am today, and na so we bring am come. We go look into the next ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. Things wey dey happen for the world o. They say a lot of things don happen, and we go bring am come give you make you dey look. They say the governor of Imo State wey be Hope Uzodinma, no be problem o. This one na big wahala. Nigeria police charge detained Imo State-based journalist Nonso Nkwa for assaulting Governor Hope Uzodinma and Asari Dokubo. Wait a minute. My people, Asari Dokubo wey we know say this man na the worst man wey dey insult anybody unsortable. As of recently, say so many things against the Igbos. Nigeria government no arrest am o, they no detain am. Uzodinma wey dey for Imo State, a lot of things dey happen for the state wey im dey governor. Since wey enter that seat wey im go buy for Abuja enter, you see say Imo State never get peace. For Igbo adage, they say onye ji ihe nwata wele aka elu aka jee o wetuo ya. Then journalists wey dey talk wetin dey happen, now you go carry put for inside police. They detain am for insulting you and Asari Dokubo. No be juju be that. Their mumu never too much. So my people, na so we see am today, and na so we dey bring am dey come. So make you calm down, watch this full video and share this video. Share the video as you dey watch, make you dey share am. So see you in the next episode. We go bring you back update as e dey happen.